Welcome to Sunshine English. Learn English expressions. Hey, do you want to understand native speakers? Then use these English expressions. Number 1. Fed up, meaning to have had enough. Example: this job is very tough. I have fed up from this job. Number 2. Feel like, meaning want to do something. Example: I feel like to make him happy. Number 3. In hand, meaning under control. Example: you can win this race. Everything is in my hand. Number 4. Heavy duty, meaning tough and powerful. Example: if you want to remove this stain, then try this heavy duty detergent. Number 5. No hard feelings, meaning don't worry. Example: you will be fine soon. Please, no hard feelings. Number 6. Just about, meaning nearly. Example: David, how far is the hotel from here? Jack, it's just about 7 kilometers. Number 7. Ins and outs, meaning the small details. Example: my boss asks about ins and outs every moment. It's really annoying. Number 8. Hook up, meaning to connect. Example: my friend hooked me up last night and we had dinner together. Number 9. Just what the doctor ordered, meaning what you need. Example: Sam, you look sad. Tell us just what the doctor ordered. Number 10. Kick around, meaning treat badly. Example: she is very arrogant. She kicked around with me. Hey English learners, I hope you love this lesson. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to learn more idioms, expressions and phrasal verbs, then check out this list and have fun.